It's a race against time and death. The largest rescue operation ever in the history of India has been launched to rescue the approximately 50,000 people who are still believed to be stranded after the wrath of incessant rains and flood waters. With fresh rain forecast in another 3 days, man faces a losing battle against nature.
It's a race against time. 3 days to rescue those trapped and stranded. The skies may open up and another cloudburst may stall rescue operations and send the death toll mounting further.
After 24 hours, only Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand can get rainfall activity. Remaining area, very light rain may get.
Slowly and steadily, the forces have started getting to the stranded survivors. But there are still many areas cut off where many are still marooned. Survivors telling headlines today that the toll could rise astronomically in some of the worst hit areas.
Our main focus is towards the Kedarnath Valley, where there are thousands, according to estimates, the inputs are still coming in, thousands of people stranded.
Well, let's now tell you about the worst affected areas in Uttarakhand. First of all, Rudraprayag is the worst hit area. Till now, 20 people are dead in the district already. This map gives you a sense of where these spots really are. The NDRF teams have been sent to search. Around 5,000 people believed to be missing at this time. The next is Pithoragarh. Around 8 people have already lost their lives and rescue operations are currently on in full swing. The next, of course, is a place called Chamoli, also in Uttarakhand, where 5 people have died in the tragedy. Roads in the area have been completely washed away. We've seen those dramatic images that Headlines Today's reporters have been bringing in. Also, Uttarkashi, around 9,000 people have been rescued so far from this place alone by the army, and the relief work continues even as we speak. Next is the religious city of Haridwar, where landslides on the highways are hampering rescue work, but things are pretty much under control there. Then the capital of the state, Dehradun, where 9 people were killed, and even today the bad weather has hit rescue operations. Finally, Tehri Garhwal, where landslides and flash floods has caused major loss of property. So even as we speak, these zones continue to have lots of people there, thousands of people still stuck in all of these places awaiting rescue and relief.
Some people growing tired of waiting are trying to move out, but at a great risk.
A few kilometers above Rudraprayag is the town of Gochar. A big boulder had come down from the mountainside and it fell directly on top of this jeep that was passing through this area. A miraculous save for all the passengers who were sitting inside. Have a look at all the people running from this jeep. A miraculous save for all these people here. A huge mountain block had fallen from this road. Mind you, I have traveled all the way from Rishikesh to Gochar. Perhaps this is the only area which is worst hit. Caving in of the road is one thing. Let me go up to these people.
Just save.
It was a huge boulder.
We are traveling from 7 days, last 7 days.
Did you even realize that there's such a huge mass was falling on you?
God save us, God save us.
With Pankaj Upadhyay at Ground Zero, Bureau Report, Headlines Today.